Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this 2 BHK flat for sale in a beautiful gated community. A sprawling residential development right in Nelamangala, western part of Bengaluru. This impressive development promises you an experience of living in a pristine locale where modern lifestyle will be your legacy. The apartment is spread across 1187 square feet of built-up area and has got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 balcony. It's an unfurnished flat which is available for sale directly from the owner. The property is a quality construction and is situated close to all the basic necessities. It is away from the busy city, yet it has the best connection with other parts of the city. The apartment is located in a gated community and features amenities like clubhouse, power backup, lifts, security personnel, reserved parking, intercom facility, aerobics room, flower garden, library and business center and 16 plus other amenities. The project is spread over an area of 25 acres with 35 towers, G plus 13 floors and hosts more than 1000 units in total. The township is spacious with 70% of open spaces. This is one of the attractive locations to own a house in Bengaluru's west. It has a promising social and physical infrastructure and an emerging neighborhood. Thus, the asking price for this lovely home is 70 lakhs. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.